Here are the steps to remove a WordPress blog from cPanel. First, you want to log in to your cPanel dashboard. On your cPanel home screen, click on WordPress under Software. Next, click on the box to select the domain for which you want to remove WordPress. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to the box. On the next page, confirm the website URL. Then click on the red Remove button. Again, check to see whether you're removing the correct domain. Then click on the Remove Installation button. You'll be asked to confirm your selection. Next, click on Return to WordPress Management to check whether WordPress has been removed. Here, we can confirm that WordPress has been removed from the selected domain. Now, go ahead and give the above steps a try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Simply click the link below to learn more.